Hi, we have just launched Client Portal in Heffl. Now your clients can log into their client portal and see all the codes that you have given to them, all the invoices you have given to them, all the jobs you have given to them, and they can see all the services which you provide. And there is an about us page which you can customize. There is a contact us page again which you can customize. So I'll show you how this client portal work, how can you customize this, and what is our next step, what we are going to build next on this client portal. I'll explain in this video. So you need to enable the client portal for each client to able for that client to access this client portal. For example, if you select one of these clients, now you have this option to copy the portal link once it is enabled. Okay, now if you take another client, now there is an option to enable the client portal. So once you enable this client portal, it will also ask you to add the email for this client. Now you can set an email here and you can enable the client portal here. Okay, now I'll take one client. Okay, now I can copy the link, and if you paste it, you will get the client portal. So if I'm logged out, I need to type the email, the client need to type the email, then click on continue with email, which you need to paste here, and you are in. So that's how clients access the client portal, and you need to enable that to each client. Now I will show you how to create a quotation and how will that affect in the client portal, how will that reflect in the client portal. For example, I need to create a new proposal. I'll just go to the add quotation, just select whatever you want, just click on add quotation. Now once you click mark as sent, you can copy the link for this particular quotation here, or if you go to the client hub, you can see there is one code you need to respond to. So I can just click on view code. Now you can see the client can accept the quotation or reject the quotation. So once this is done, as you can see in the client portal, you can see the quotation is accepted by this particular client. Okay, same happens with invoice. You can create the invoice from here. For example, I'll show you. If I go back to invoices, so there is this particular invoices which need to be paid. So I can click on pay now, and it will have two options, one to pay, one is payment link, second is bank transfer. So if you click bank transfer, you can display a particular bank account here. So all these information is customizable, right? So there are certain parts in here which is customized. You can customize the title, you can customize the description, you can customize this card, you can also customize the about section, the contact page. So you need to go to organization settings and client portal. Now you can change the heading here, you can change the description here, you can change the card title, and you can see each section, you can hide it or you can change the title, description. So all these sections which we have added, we have added a section for you to customize that one. So currently this is what we have shipped. There are more features which are going to come to the client portal, so I'll list some of them. One is the file section which we have already built halfway. So you can share the access to the client for certain files. They can upload the files, they can comment on the certain files, you can give access to projects, and all sort of collaboration are going to come to the client portal. And there is also a jobs right now here, where once if you are running a field service in our using Heffl, all the history of their jobs can be viewed from here. So that's the roadmap. We are going to add more features in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.